Akira?
Let's protect it year after year. Reduce, reuse, recycle too. Together we'll keep our planet blue. Pick up the trash, keep our parks clean. Protecting our planet, it's a team routine. Planting new trees, watching them grow. In harmony with nature, our lives.